Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to compute the integral of, well, this integral here. So we have the integral going from 0 to 4 of sine of x plus x squared minus 5x, and of course we have dx at the end. So we don't have constant. I've already graphed this out. So here it's just starting at 0. So I mean, I guess if you want, you could have plus 0, but I guess it's semi-trivial. The point is, we want to find the area from 0 to 4, so imagine a line stopping right here. In fact, I will literally put that here. Y equals 4. Right, I'm stupid. That's a horizontal asymptote. X equals 4. Okay, there you go. So here, just the area of this part of the graph. So in order to do that, we need to anti-differentiate our integral here. So first thing, I guess the way you think of this is, what function's derivative is this? In this case, we'll look at sine of x first. Well, we know derivative of cosine is negative sine. So the derivative of negative cosine would be positive sine. So we'll have negative cos of x. Okay. And now here, we can do the power rule for integrals. So that's x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1. So that's x to the third over 3. And then same thing here. That gets you 5x squared over 2 dx. So now, since we're starting at 0, we don't have to consider any other intervals. We don't have like 0 to 1. We don't have to do like 1 and then subtract the values or anything. We can just plug in 4. In which case, if we were to in fact do that, we can compute this one out first. So 4 to the third is 64. 64 over 3 is 21.6 repeating. So we'll have 21.6 repeating minus 5x squared over 2. Well, 4 squared is 16. 16 times 5 is 80. 80 over 2 is 40. 40. This gets you negative 18 point what? Like 3. Here, let me just let's make sure. We'll do, what is it? It's 112. Or sorry. Yeah, no, we're good. 112 divided by 6. 18.67 repeating. Right, so we can just have that. That's it in fractional form. Sorry, not 86 or 867. It's just 86 repeating. So that's what it is. And after, wait, is that true? What did I do? I did 64 divided by 3 minus 40. Okay, yeah, oh, no, that's what I messed up on. That's my fault. Okay. So it's not 0.6 repeating, it's 0.3 repeating. It's my fault. Okay. That's why I was wrong. Okay. So 64 divided by 3 is 21.3 repeating, not 21.6. So 21.3 repeating minus 40 is 18.6 repeating. That makes more sense. Okay. And now we have our minus cosine here. Negative cosine of x. And this is where things get a little weird. So we'll put this in here. Negative 18 point minus cosine 4. So even though I've already computed this one out, minus cosine 4, we can see we get 18.013, negative 18.01302. Go down there. 02. The problem with this is, even though I've already computed this one out, on Google, right, it says negative 18.0130230.458. I've also done this one on Wolfram, and it gives me the exact same number, but it's literally just one off. And that's why I'm a little confused here. Tried a whole lot of different ways to try and see why it's exactly just one off, but I don't know why. And so I guess you can have two answers here depending on which one's actually right. So it's this one or slash 17.01302 negative. So pretty unsatisfying of an answer, but if we had the integral going from 0 to 4 of sine of x plus x squared minus 5x, then the area under this portion of the graph here between 0 and 4 would either be negative 17.01302 or negative 18.01302. And of course, negatives make sense. We're under the x-axis, so this is unsigned area. But I'm just a little confused on why it's only one off, and you can figure it out as to why it's one off on Google compared to every other calculator I've tried. Yeah, that being said, thank you for watching.